Take a closer look at this creature, a sharply hooked beak, built not just for tearing through prey, but equipped with a special notch called the tomial tooth, a weapon designed for quick, precise, and clean kills. Now move to the nostrils. Inside each one sits a cone-shaped baffle, a natural airflow regulator that protects its lungs when it dives at extreme speeds. A design so advanced, even jet engines use the same idea today. Look at the eyes. Forward-facing, intensely focused, able to track moving targets with unbelievable clarity. This bird sees the world 7 to 8 times sharper than humans, as if time slows down around it. Zoom in a little more. The dense feathers around its face form a natural windshield, keeping airflow stable during high-speed dives. Now take in the shape of its entire body. Slim, lightweight, aerodynamic, a natural arrow engineered for speed and accuracy. Every feather locks tightly in place, minimizing drag and maximizing control. Step back and look again. Everything you just saw, the beak, the eyes, the nostrils, the feathers, the wings, the streamlined shape, all come together to form one of the most advanced hunting machines on Earth. This is the Falcon, a master of the sky, a symbol of precision, agility, and unstoppable power. Falcons belong to the family Falconidae, and every part of their body serves one purpose: fast, efficient hunting. Their wings are long, narrow, and pointed, perfect for sudden turns, rapid climbs, and high-speed pursuit. They don't just fly, they slice through the sky. Their lightweight skeleton and powerful flight muscles let them accelerate instantly. Their flexible neck allows fast adjustments during a chase, and their talons, slender but strong, are made for high-speed mid-air strikes. During a hunting dive, a falcon can exceed 300 to 320 kilometers per hour, making it the fastest animal on the planet. At that speed, even the slightest wing movement lets it change direction with perfect accuracy. Their intelligence is just as impressive. Falcons analyze patterns, plan attacks, and adapt to the movements of their prey within milliseconds. They are strategic hunters, not just fast ones. They prefer open landscapes, cliffs, tall structures, places where they can launch high-speed attacks and watch over large areas. As top aerial predators, they help maintain healthy ecosystems by controlling populations of small birds, insects, and rodents. From the tomial tooth on its beak to the baffle inside its nostrils to its unmatched speed and vision, every detail exists for one purpose: the perfect kill. This is not just a bird. This is nature's aerial weapon, a powerful, precise, beautifully engineered predator. This is the Falcon.